Exercise number 27. My book, comma, which will be ready soon, comma, gives my views on the subject, inverted commas begin, the music of our times, full stop, inverted commas close. I hope to give a series of talks in several different cities, comma, and I have chosen this subject for my talks, full stop. If I write out the names of the cities and the dates on which I am to speak, comma, can you type the schedule for me, question mark. I should like to have 2 copies, full stop. I shall be happy if you will type a copy of my speech for me, full stop. It is 40 pages in length, full stop. How long does it takes to type such a long speech, question mark. Can you have it ready for me in 2 hours, question mark. The head of the firm said, comma, inverted commas begin, I am going to give you higher salary because of the absence of errors in the jobs I have gave you to do, full stop, inverted commas close. Thank you for your news, full stop. Many thanks, comma, to, comma, for the magazines, full stop. I am happy to know you are having a nice time, full stop. I enjoy reading 2 special items in the magazine, column, inverted commas begin, the way things seem to me, inverted commas close, and inverted commas begin, news outside the door, full stop, inverted commas close. We owe several large items on this month's bills which ought to be paid in a few days, full stop. May we know soon what you decide to do, question mark. What would be the wise thing to do, question mark.